Security has been tightened at the U.S. Embassy in Manila. The move followed recent attacks on U.S. embassies and consulates in Mid-East and African countries. The protest was in response to a movie that is seen as an insult to the Prophet Muhammad. Noel Perfecto reports.
The Philippine Coast Guard secures the coastline of the U.S. Embassy after demonstrators stormed the U.S. embassies in some countries. It will be recalled that the attack of the U.S. consulate in Benghazi, Libya, led to the killing of the U.S. ambassador to Libya. The Coast Guard, together with the Manila Police District, vowed to prevent terrorist groups from coming close to the U.S. Embassy along Ross Boulevard. According to the spokesperson of Philippine Coast Guard, this is part of the security measures that the government is implementing to secure the U.S. Embassy.
Considering na mayroong nangyari dun sa Libya, so minabuti na rin ni Admiral Tan na we pay extra attention dun sa bahagi ng U.S. Embassy. This is a proactive measure na ginawa ng mga tauhan ng Philippine Coast Guard para lang, alam mo na, maprotektahan din yung embahadad ng Amerika na nandito lang sa tabi namin.
Meanwhile, NCRPO Chief Leonardo Espina assures the public that operatives from the Manila's finest are ready to respond to any eventuality. This is the reminder issued by Espina to all employees and officials of the Manila Police District when he visited the MPD today.
Nagpunta mo tayo kay Mayor at nagbigay galang. Ngayon gusto kong kausapin 100% lahat ng mga opisyalis po ng Manila Police District. Pinangungunahan ni General Alex Gutierrez upang iisang cadence yung patutunguhan namin doon sa mga instruction ko. Bottom line ho nito, lahat ng mga pulis namin ay itatalaga ko sa barangay.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.